I'm going to start anyway. So the idea of my talk is to do a live demo where I will show how to use the Supabase MCP server and the agent skill to actually vibe code your app, but while keeping compliance, security, and keeping trust on what your AI agent is actually doing on your database, which is kind of important today. So to do that, I prepared. Can you share the screen? Yes, thank you. So on the left here, I created an app that's basically just a to-do list. So I can add a thing here, for example. All right, doesn't work. Perfect. Vibe coded, as I said. So that's a to-do list where we are supposed to be able to add tasks to. Oh, wait a second. I know why. I am sorry about that. I got disconnected. OK, that doesn't count, OK? Come on. Oh, c'est bon. All right. Anyway, so I'm going to use Claude Code to add feature to the app in real time. So I will just add basic stuff, such as being able to categorize the to-do list, like priority and categories and stuff like that. So I just prepared some prompt, and while the AI is thinking, I will explain a bit the differences between the MCP and the agent skill and stuff like that. So the first one is this prompt. So we will use the Supabase Postgres skill to add a priority column to our task, with low, medium, and high, with a due date as well, etc. So I will just ask it to do that. And while it runs, I'm just going to explain to you how the Supabase skill works. So you can go on skills.sh, where you find all of the super cool agent skills. And we have our Supabase Postgres best practice skill here. And it's basically split into a lot of different rules and best practices, depending on what you are planning to do. Each file is prefixed with the theme of the skill you want to use. So here, you can see he generated the migration for me. So it created the priority column. It added a constraint on the priority, etc. And now, I agree with what he wrote, and I'm just going to apply it using the MCP server. So basically, we use in combination a skill that will write SQL according to Supabase best practices, and then we'll use the MCP to apply this SQL to run the command, the migration. And so we can see here in live the table has only 4 columns, and if I refresh, I should now have my priority and due date. All right, so it worked perfectly, and it did it according to best practices. So I know it's secure and use like the proper convention. So now I'm just going to add some random seed to-do list, just to have something to work on. I have no idea how much time I have left. Oh, OK. That's going to be hard to keep. There we go. We have 8 new tasks, or I don't know how many. So I'm just going to go over all the prompt and explain to you while it runs. So now I'm just going to add some priority tags on each of the list. And this is interesting because first we are using a real-time feature from Supabase, meaning like anytime the database is there are a new row, updated row, it's automatically displayed in the app in real time. That's one of the main Supabase feature. And also, I don't know if I don't have time to explain everything, but that's basically how we work at Supabase. So we very often use the skill to prepare what we want to do, and then we use an MCP for the connection, for the API connection, the API keys, all the authentication. So it's abstracted from the agent. So now I have all my priority here. I'm going to just go over the next prompt, which I'm going to squeeze the fourth one. And the last one is just going to add some group and categories. Oops. So yeah, the final feature I wanted to add is to just be able to categorize my to-do list with like categories and have like expandable blocks to store them. So now I can see again, same method. It generates a migration SQL according to our best practices. And then he asked me, should I apply? Yes, apply, using the MCP. So while it does that, let me just show you quickly how the skill look like. So I have my skill here, which is composed of agent. Sorry, that's way better. He explained how to use all of the references and documentation that are all here. There's a lot to see, as you can see. It uses the prefix to understand what you should use, and then it does magic. That's it. So it should be done by now. It's not. I don't have time anymore. Time is up. So, and there is no question for this lightning talk. So I tried to make it fit in 5 minutes. It was really hard. But please don't hesitate to reach to me after the talk if you have any question, or if you want to try the Supabase MCP. It's open source. It's free. It does magic.